Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to a new video. Today I have made a PC build. I lost some of the footage to a faulty SD card, but I'm gonna be doing the beginning and the ending. But the time lapse, I got most of the footage. So yeah, let's start with the specs. For our processor, I got a Ryzen 5 2400G. I know the 3000 series already came out, but I bought this processor at the beginning of this year before the 3000 series came out, so I should have waited a bit more. But for our motherboard, we got an ASRock B450M Pro 4. For our RAM, we have 16 gigs of DDR4 3000 MHz speed. We got 120 gig SSD for our OS and 1 terabyte storage on a hard drive. For our power supply, we have a EVGA 550 watt, plenty enough power for this type of system. And finally, for our graphics card, that we have an RX 580. Also, the case I'm using is a Zalman SE. So I'm gonna be putting right here all the prices of each part, and well, let's start with the time lapse. So guys, the PC is finally built, and let's boot it up for the first time. All fans are spinning. Yes! Okay, so let's see. I don't know if you can see, but right here, we got our processor reading, which is the AMD 2400G. Processor speed 3600 megahertz. Cache, where is it? Total memory, we got all 16 gigs. And then I finally realized that I should have read the instructions. I see an error here. I accidentally put in single channel instead of dual channel. Okay. Let's turn it off. Let's fix that just in a second. Okay. I switched the memory. Let's see now. we go. We got dual channel memory. So next step, what I'm gonna do is insert my boot drive to install Windows 10. Let's see if this works. Not all motherboards have this quick menu for booting, but yeah. And we're choosing our SSD to install our OS because that way we'll have faster boot times and everything else. There we go. Now we'll just let it sit there and wait. Meanwhile, I'm gonna jump this part. It's pretty boring, so. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on that notification bell. And if you want to see benchmarks on this machine, let me know down in the comments and I'll upload them in the future. I'm probably in another video. I'll let you know. I hope you liked it. And bye. See you next time.